Good morning. I'm delighted to welcome each of you as we celebrate the 2023 commencement exercises.
I'm really excited for this day. It's been a long time coming, and I can't wait for the future.
Back in 1995, when we were in a walk-up building on East 92nd Street, I couldn't predict the school would grow to be the prominent institution it is today.
I flew in from Central Illinois to be here for the graduation.
My mother came all the way from Thailand to my graduation.
Came from McDonough, Georgia.
And she already has a job, which is really exciting for us.
Today, one of your jobs is to be a great teammate. But in years to come, we hope and expect that part of your role will be to create and guide a great team.
You're here now, and that means that you have succeeded in the first chapter of a journey that will enrich you as much as it enriches others.
This is my daughter Reagan, possibly future chef.
My name's Allison, and this is Stella, pregnant all throughout culinary school.
So it's doable?
It is doable.
I did the night schedule, 7 p.m. to 11, so it worked out fine. I got to spend a lot of time with my daughter.
I did the pastry at Ice, and I loved it. Thank you.
And now it's time to introduce our keynote speaker, Chef Marcus Samuelson.
No one ever did anything alone. So look for mentors, look for communities that understand you, but hopefully don't look like you and have different experiences. I think the student's journey is amazing. It should be celebrated. It makes me go back to think about when I graduated, and it's just a feeling of completion, and it's also a start of a new beginning, which is amazing.
The experience is really amazing. It helped to change my life.
One of the favorite days of my life, I promise.
I'm proud of him. I'm glad he's on his way to what he loves to do.
Great accomplishment, and I'm very happy and proud.
We're so proud of him.
I'm feeling really proud of all of my students. I think that it's a really rigorous program, a very difficult journey, and life happens while they're in it. And for me to watch them walk on stage and to see their families and friends is a really meaningful part of graduation for me.
I met people that are going to be my chosen family for life. I met mentors who will help me at every step of the way, and I feel so prepared for the industry.
We're so proud.
This was our biggest graduating class ever, and I'm so proud of all the students and the faculty and the staff. It's a great day.
Find your culinary voice.